Putting together container plants is just really fun. It gives me a chance to exercise my imagination. Today I'm going to be planting this red pot. I have a whole bunch of them in different sizes, but I'm going to do this little one first. Now, I went into my little stash of plants and I pulled out everything I thought might work based on color, texture, flower, etc. So now all I'm going to do is try it. I like this euphorbia. It has green leaves, but the green leaves are blush red that picks up the same color as the glaze. That's good, I like that. It's not big enough to fill the pot, but this is big enough. This is a salvia, and the red flowers are the same color as the pot. I could almost put these two together. Oh, too busy. I could use this chorus with the euphorbia. I like the spiky texture of it. Textures work well together, the colors do too. I just need something to cascade over the edge. Oh, and I can use this. So I can mix the euphorbia and this chorus, this grass-like chorus, in this pot. And I think that'll work pretty well. Now that I've decided what plants I'm going to put into my pot, I've got to plant it. You notice that there's a big hole in the bottom of this pot? I cut a piece of fiberglass window screen, just a little piece, just big enough to cover the hole. That way, the soil's going to stay in the pot and there won't be any little creepy crawlies to come up from the bottom. Then I'm using a really good high-quality organic potting mix, and I added water to give it kind of the texture of, I don't know, souffle maybe, a mud ball, something like that, just enough so it holds together. Before I put it into my container, I'm going to add, about a handful of homemade worm castings. Now the worm castings have lots of nutrients in them and lots of beneficial microbes too. I don't have to do it, but I like to. Okay, mud pie time. I need to start putting some soil in the bottom. Now the thing that's really important when you plant a container is that when you put the plants in, they have to go in at the same height they were in their little nursery can. I don't want them any deeper, I don't want them any shallower, I want them exactly the same level they are here. So, I'm just going to add potting mix. First one I'm going to put in is the euphorbia. What I want to do is kind of rough up the roots a little bit. That'll get them going out into the potting mix. Oh, I've even got some little worms in here, that's good. They're sitting about 2 inches down from the edge. That's not high enough. So I'll put it back in its container. Perfect. Alright, so that's where my euphorbia is going, in the front corner. Now this was really root bound. Ready? I'm going to loosen it up too. And I'm going to stick it behind the euphorbia. 1, 2, 3. The thyme is in a much shallower container, so I need to add some more soil before I can put that in. But I'll loosen that up a little bit too. Stick it in the corner. Ooh, cascading over the edge. See that? How does that look? I like working in this tray because it keeps everything contained. It doesn't make such a big mess. In the end, what I want is for my plants and my soil to sit about a ½ inch from the top of the pot. You'd be surprised at how much soil it takes. Don't be stingy about that. That's really, really important for the success of your container. Now, I'll take it over to my hose, water it, add some rocks on the top for mulch, and we're done. How's that?